Your hubcap crest emblems sometimes become damaged on the road or have fallen off over time. When you're ready, you'll find that we carry the highest quality reproduction on the market. Hey, I'm Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1963 through 1980 Cadillac hubcap crest emblems. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM Restoration Parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. This top quality hubcap emblem is an exact reproduction of the original equipment. Each emblem is manufactured from die cast to OEM specifications and features a chrome plated finish. Each face is intricately detailed with the factory correct colored enamel paint. In addition, the emblems include 2 mounting studs and a locating stud for a swift installation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. More information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.